I go hard in the motherfucking paint, nigga.
Yo, what's going on? It's King Kai Games, and today we're gonna be playing some more Madden Mobile. Well, not playing, we're just gonna open some more packs. I got a lot more packs this time. Oh, hold on, let me go turn on my fan. Alright guys, so I'm back. And now, let's open up some packs. I got 44 packs this time. I'm gonna try to run through all these packs. I did some sets, so I got like a few players. Collectibles are the same. You see all them quick coins I got. But the back shows up together. But let's start off with the first warm-up pack. I know they're all warm-up collectibles, so I'm just gonna open all these. Daily warm-up. Another warm-up pack. I didn't really upgrade my team that much, but whatever. I'll still show y'all my team. Okay, on to the 2 trophy packs. Okay. And I only had like 1 silver trophy. Get on to the 6 trophy pack. I'm gonna open these randomly. Wow, okay. Onto the scrimmage, the first scrimmage pack. Okay. Okay, a post-game collectible. Grind don't stop, guys. The grind does not stop. Some NBA Live mobile videos coming up soon. Watch out for that. I'm just gonna skip through all these. See how much I have. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be back when I'm at the first treasure hunt pack. So, okay. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I got some quick sells, some 500, 750 quick sell cards in the last few packs. But onto the first good pack. Okay, 1,000 coins. Onto the pro pack. Ryan Fitzpatrick. Okay. A game time reward pack. Well, no, it's game time collectibles. A lot of them. Open all. A lot of game time collectibles. I'm gonna go do that pack after we're done opening all these. The journeyman collectible. Silver game plan upgrade. Okay. A legacy reward pack. What time is it? Oh, 8:05. Team Wolf coming on, y'all. Better go watch that. After I finish doing this video and editing it. Okay, I'm gonna have a we left first. I'm gonna have a intro from now on. Just do my intro. Okay. Just to let y'all know. May have an intro and outro. Team of the week. Okay, football outsiders. I'm gonna do some sets after this. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. On to the next pack. That rhyme. But let's go. Showdown badge, quick freeze pack. Okay, quarterback. Out of position gold player. I got Eric Reed. Okay. New Year's reward pack. And I got 2 division masters. Okay. Alright, so let's do some. Wait, let me get my team. Here's my team, guys. My team. Yeah. And my defense. Let's take a look at that. My special. I want to sets. I wonder. Should I? Wait. I'm gonna use all of my quick sells. Cartoon. Use all my quick sells. Wait, come on, guys. I'm gonna find them. There it is. Other quick sells like that. You get 13,500 coins. Awesome. Okay. Oh, no, I'm not going to the store. All pro pack. Should I get an all pro pack? It's 40,000. No. Oh. No, I'm not gonna get an all pro pack. Oh, we get a topper. Oh, I wish I had Madden Mobile Cash. I wish I had that much cash. Let's do some sets. Not didn't mean to go back to the store. Let's do some more sets. Trying to. Oh, we have 3. Let's get it. Bonanza pack. Okay, a half pack. Okay. Ooh, game time. Oh. I already had it. I'm not gonna do another quick freeze. Fun game time. I had a lot of game time awards. Weekly. And the game time. Not this. Not game time. Is there another one that I can do? Because I have a lot of game time. I have a lot of game time awards. Okay, so we have redemption. I need one elite showdown. They don't have any game time. Don't have any other game time awards that I can. Maybe not. No, I don't think they have any more. Oh wait. Okay. I think that's the video, guys. I think we can end the video right here, since there's no more game time reward packs. All right, so I'll see y'all guys later. I need to edit the video, upload it, and then go watch Teen Wolf. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Yeah.
I go hard in the motherfucking paint, nigga.